Okay, so here's what you want to do. Push the line through the eye of the hook, and you wrap around 7 times. I'm kind of assuming you already know how to tie an egg loop, but I'm going to just run through it here real quick. Grab the other end of the line, all the way, which will actually be tied to your swivel. Feed it back through the hook the opposite way that you'd put the initial line through. And then with the initial line that you wrap the 7 times, you're going to wrap again 7 times with just that part you just put through, have it sticking through about an inch so you can get around the end of it. And then you pull that end that's going to be tied to your swivel all the way through, and there you have your loop. So what I'm using is a size 2 octopus barbless hook, and the size corky I'm going to use is a size 10 that fits right within the eye of the hook, allowing the bite area to not be affected. Put your yarn through, and I'm actually going to tie the yarn to the hook. So all the loop is going to do is actually hold the yarn in place, but the yarn itself is actually tied just once around the hook. And now you're just going to trim it. Make sure it's trimmed above the bottom of the like the smile part out there on the hook. So make sure it's not going past the end of the hook. You're going to probably have to trim it a couple times while you're out on the river as well, because it'll get longer and longer the more it gets wet. But I'll just give it a nice trim at the beginning. And now we're just going to put the corky on. I'm usually using corkies and yarn that complement each other, and hook actually as well, that all look similar to the same color. Got the corky on, and now this is a little trick. You get a toothpick and you jam it in the top of it once it gets down to the bottom of the hook, so that your corky isn't floating around. Sometimes you'll miss a hit at the beginning of your drift if your corky isn't floated all the way up to the end of your hook. And there you got it. Now it's all one piece together, one lure. And yeah, good luck.